CEA, or the Consumer Electronics Association, of course, the producer of the International CES every year, and they've been doing so very successfully for many years. Vice President of Sales and Business Development for CEA is Dan Cole. It's always a pleasure, Dan. Welcome into tomorrow. How are you?
Dave, I'm great. Yet another year, and it's great to see you again.
Yes, indeed. And I like being able to occasionally catch up with you, because you and your team really assemble all these exhibitors and get folks here to start doing all that great networking and to show some very cool products every year. And you've done it again this year. I've talked to exhibitors that are saying, what recession? What economy problem? Look how busy this show is. I mean, that's got to warm the cockles of your heart.
I think what this proves is a lot of this is psychological, and I think CES is serving as a breath of fresh air, quite frankly, in the middle of this recession. While the numbers show it, the attitude here and the enthusiasm surely flies in the face of it. So we're very, very excited. I'm personally excited by what I'm hearing from exhibitors and attendees alike, and I'm sure you're seeing it as well here on the trade show floor. It's very, very exciting, and another great show. What can I say?
True. I mean, it's always nice if you can get a little less traffic in Las Vegas when we're here, because CES tends to bog down everything because there's so many people. But the point being is that there's no less traffic, that I've seen at least, in all the various halls.
You know, coming over here with my colleague, we were fighting traffic within one of the aisles here just to get through, and that's really gratifying to see. And not only do the numbers look good, but what I hear consistently from exhibitors is the quality is probably the best ever they've seen. One of the consistent themes is that exhibitors are they're making all their appointments. All their appointments are showing up. They're showing up on time, and they're also seeing people that actually they had not planned to see. Who decided at the last minute they're going to be able to make it out to CES. So, like I said, it's a breath of fresh air. Quite frankly, I think this country needs it about now. And
so absolutely.
We're happy to play that role.
And it's encouraging because of course, it's understandable. We're all in the country in an economic situation, and there are people concerned, understandably, about jobs and whether they've lost them or might and that sort of thing. But in the long run, as we talk to exhibitors here at the Consumer Electronics Show, people are saying, yeah, but you know what? Everyone's telling us they still need their entertainment. The staycations, as they've been known, people are now spending a little more time, maybe a lot more time at home with family and with kids instead of going out spending a lot of money somewhere. So it's all about the gadgets and gizmos that help make our lives better, or at least more productive or fun sometimes.
And they're more exciting than ever. What you're referring to, I've heard it referred to as cocooning as well at home. The products, again, this is a wonderland walking through the show. So it's exciting to see once again.
What's jumped out at you in the last 30 seconds the most here at the show that's got you excited?
I think the environment, environmental friendly products, and that sort of theme has been very, very hot. Digital imaging and gaming, I think, are other very, very hot categories.
Terrific. CESweb.org. And if you've never attended CES, if you're a manufacturer, you're a distributor, you're somebody with a great idea involving consumer electronics, you especially need to visit CESweb.org and get with Dan's team, because they want you and your goodies out here in Las Vegas next year for the 2010 CES, and it'll be just as awesome, if not more so. This is still expected to be about the third largest CES, last I heard anyway. Amazing. Dan Cole, thanks for joining us.
Good to see you, my friend.
My pleasure.
All right,
Back with more next hour as Into Tomorrow continues from CES in Las Vegas.